Alright, so it's going to cover the Metropolitan St. Louis area along the Mississippi River there, some into East St. Louis as well. So we'll get started here in no particular order. Again, this is just a list, so please feel free to screenshot some of these. If you guys are headed to the area, maybe you're starting your portfolio off, we'll get started. So I'm not going to read every single one of these, but just to give you guys an idea on kind of what, photo spots are around, or maybe you're just looking for different things to do, free or even affordable options for you. Lots of, historical areas, parks. You have hiking trails, all sorts of scenic spots. So this kind of just gives you a broad overview of what's around. Now, let me know in the comments below, what I've missed. And if you've been to any of these spots, let me know what you guys think. Lots of hiking trails, nature preserves, and some really cool scenic spots downtown with the arch as well as along the Mississippi River on both sides of the river. What is that? Landing station. It's a train station. That's kind of cool. With the arch in the background. MLK Bridge. Yeah, of course, there's going to be some bridges in the area. So if that's your thing, there's always some good photo ops there. And, hopefully there's a little bit of something for everybody here, right? Some of these might be pretty obvious for you, especially if you guys are local, but yeah, you can always look up on different tourist sites, things to do, etc. But this kind of gives you a broad overview in one video. So if you see something that, piques your attention, you can screenshot it or just refer back to it and maybe look it up a little bit later. Boat ramps are always good, so if you like to see, well, maybe, yeah, there's a little bit smaller of a boat ramp probably, but marinas are always good spots. I mean, I don't know how many marinas are going to be around the riverfront right there, but hey, you never know, right? Missouri welcome sign. All right. McPike Mansion, historical place, built in 1869. Oh, supposed to be haunted? Only the cellar open to visitors. Okay. Pelican Island, 2,100 acres of forest and swamp. Let me know where you guys are from in the comments below. Creve Coeur Lake Memorial Park. Boat rentals, picnic areas, trails. So a lot of these spots are going to have unique points of interest especially within the parks specifically. Sometimes they'll have monuments or just branching off in different trails. So when you're looking that up, just keep that in mind and see what's nearby. World's largest catsup bottle. Historic landmark, huh? Interesting. There's always something unique. Every city's got something, right? Conservation areas. I don't know if that's just looks like a generic photo. Sunflower fields, maybe. Oakland House Museum. Whole bunch of that going on. Wagon collection. Bush family estate. I mean, that's cool. A lot of these are just, even event venues have really cool architecture, some of them. Ulysses S. Grant National Historic Site. Grant's Farm. I wonder if that's related. Former Bush family estate. Home to over 100 species of animals. Okay, that's kind of cool. Yeah, some of these parks you guys might think, oh, what's the significance? It's just a regular park. But again, you never know. There's different opportunities all over the place. Arenas for different events, sporting events, concerts. Creve Coeur, that's a big spot down there. I've seen a lot of those areas. Jefferson Barracks Park. Museums. There's a lot of those going on. Civil War Museum. Mississippi River Overlook. There's a couple of those overlooks, especially on the other side. This one's in Missouri, especially on the other side into Illinois there. WWT Raceway. It's a cool track. think they do Indy as well as NASCAR, and maybe some other series as well. Horseshoe Lake. Downtown airport, always good for plane spotting opportunities, if you're into that. Minor league baseball, perhaps. Yep. Boathouse. Municipal River Trail. There is a marina there. More bridges. Monuments. What the heck is that? I don't know what it is, but it says it's historical nonetheless, right? Underground Hall. USS Inaugural. The Mural Mile, if you're into artwork. MacArthur Bridge. There's about 4 or 5 bridges I've seen on this in this area, I should say. Train station are cool if you like trains, or your kids like them. Botanical Garden, St. Louis Art Museum. Significant number of landmarks and museums. There's always a zoo or two, right? St. Louis Union Station. Historic site. Campbell House Museum. Classic Opera House, now hosting ballet, musicals, rock concerts, comedy. Sesame Street Live, I didn't know they were still doing that. I mean, that could be old, who knows. Washington Square Park, Eternal Flame Park, with some statue or monument there. Polker Park, Kaufman Park. Oh, that's a cool shot. Museum, Enterprise Center, if you like the blues, or other sporting events, concerts. City Garden Sculpture Park. Keener Plaza Park. The Old Courthouse Museum, temporarily closed. Heliport, so if you like to see helicopters come and go, I don't know if that's still active. There's not a ton of reviews on that one. The Captain's Return, St. Louis Riverfront. A bunch of spots downtown there, of course, by the arch. Fieldhouse Museum, Busch Stadium. Cool views there. Grotto, Scenic spot. I don't know what that is, but Darkness Haunted House, Lafayette Park. St. Louis Aquarium. Museum of Illusions. We're wrapping this up, so let me know what city you guys want to see next and what areas you might be interested in taking a look at. Last couple of museums and monuments, and of course, the last one here is the arch, of course. So that's all for now. Stay tuned for more videos, and thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.